Alright, so in this video, I'll show you how to use the USCIS processing time tool in 2026. If you want to check how long your immigration case might take, this is the official method, yeah. So let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official website of the US. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Always make sure you are on the correct official page for accurate results. Now on the homepage, scroll down or search for the Processing Times tool and click on it. This will open the official time estimator page. Next, you will see a form where you need to select your case details. Start by choosing the form type like green card, work permit, or citizenship application. After that, select the specific category that matches your application. This helps the system narrow down the correct processing timeline. Now choose your service center or field office. This is important because processing time can vary depending on where your case is being handled. Once all details are selected, click on the Get Processing Time button. Now the tool will display the estimated processing time range. You'll usually see something like average months or expected timeframes for your case type. You can use this information to understand how long your application might take and plan accordingly. And that's it. Now you know how to use the USCIS processing time tool step by step in a simple way. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.